Racing is running for mayor. Enzo Pineda is running for councilors, and marami pa. The Estradas, si R. Ejercito, Gary Estrada, they all came from, Isko was my, it's not my talent, but we work together with Isko. And many other talents ko na became a politicians na rin. That's a big challenge. And your question is how I...
Kasi may mga nag-crown up party na sa mga ganun na from showbiz,
baka, ang mentality kasi ng isa ba nga, pag sinabi mong showbiz, galing sa showbiz, parang yun lang alam nila, showbiz lang. But you have to see also the background of the candidate. Yun lang ba ang pinag-aralan niya? But hindi nila alam na itong mga kandidato sumali ito. And if you will see their educational attainment, they're more than qualified to the other candidates. But they never give a chance because yung stigma na galing showbiz ay walang ibubuga. But you can see now in Senate, maraming show business. Maraming galing showbiz na became a senator and a governor, congressman. But look at how their performance in the government. Maganda naman, makaramihan. Like, siyempre, I think I like the performance of the governor of Bulacan. The governor of Richard Gomez performance in Ormoc. Lucy Gomez performance in Ormoc. So there's a lot of qualified people from showbiz, but they serve to become a congressman because yung kanilang intelligence and their creativity and their yung kanilang knowledgeable when it comes to politics and economics, ay nandoon na pinag-aralan nila. So I think papalasok i-judge ang ating mga people from showbiz. Depende kung ano ang kanilang educational attainment, depende kung gaano experience nila, depende ang kanilang leadership and also their responsibilities to govern their own province or their own city.